Audi has officially launched the Q6 e-tron, a pivotal addition to its electric vehicle lineup, starting at a competitive price of just under $64,000. This new SUV aims to blend luxury, performance, and sustainability, positioning itself as a strong contender in the rapidly growing electric vehicle market. The Q6 e-tron is built on Audi's advanced PPE architecture, designed specifically for electric vehicles. This platform allows for a spacious interior and a low center of gravity, contributing to improved handling and driving dynamics. As consumers increasingly seek electric options that don't compromise on comfort or performance, the Q6 e-tron delivers on all fronts. One of the standout features of the Q6 e-tron is its impressive electric range. With a maximum range of up to 321 miles on a single charge, the vehicle addresses one of the primary concerns potential EV buyers often have: range anxiety. This capability makes the Q6 e-tron suitable for both daily commutes and longer road trips, appealing to a wide range of drivers. Audi offers the Q6 e-tron in multiple configurations, catering to various preferences and needs. The base model features a single electric motor with rear-wheel drive, delivering a smooth and efficient driving experience. For those seeking more power, the dual-motor all-wheel drive variant provides enhanced performance, resulting in quicker acceleration and better handling in diverse driving conditions. This flexibility allows consumers to choose the model that best fits their lifestyle. In terms of performance, the Q6 e-tron does not disappoint. The dual-motor variant can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 5 seconds, providing a thrilling driving experience that rivals traditional performance vehicles. The integration of advanced driving technology ensures that drivers enjoy a responsive and engaging ride, whether navigating city streets or tackling winding country roads. Inside, the Q6 e-tron reflects Audi's commitment to luxury and technology. The spacious cabin features high-quality materials and a modern design, creating an inviting atmosphere for both driver and passengers. A central infotainment system, equipped with the latest connectivity features, provides seamless access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Additionally, the Q6 e-tron includes a range of driver assistance systems, enhancing safety and convenience on the road. Audi has also made sustainability a priority in the Q6 e-tron's production. The vehicle incorporates eco-friendly materials, reflecting the brand's commitment to reducing its environmental footprint. This focus on sustainability aligns with the growing demand for environmentally conscious vehicles, appealing to consumers who prioritize both luxury and responsibility. As the electric vehicle market continues to expand, Audi's entry with the Q6 e-tron reinforces the brand's dedication to innovation and excellence. By offering a well-rounded electric SUV at an attractive price point, Audi positions itself favorably against competitors in the segment. The Q6 e-tron not only meets the expectations of current EV enthusiasts but also aims to attract new customers exploring the transition to electric driving. Moreover, Audi's commitment to a comprehensive charging infrastructure further enhances the ownership experience. The Q6 e-tron supports fast charging capabilities, allowing drivers to recharge quickly and efficiently, reducing downtime on long journeys. Partnerships with various charging networks ensure that Q6 e-tron owners will have convenient access to charging stations, making it easier to integrate electric driving into their daily lives. The launch of the Q6 e-tron comes at a crucial time as consumers are increasingly looking for sustainable transportation options without sacrificing luxury or performance. With its combination of advanced technology, impressive range, and competitive pricing, the Q6 e-tron is poised to become a significant player in the electric SUV market. In conclusion, the Audi Q6 e-tron represents a strategic move for the brand as it embraces the future of mobility. With its blend of performance, luxury, and sustainability, the Q6 e-tron is not just an electric vehicle, it's a statement about Audi's vision for a greener future. As consumers seek out electric options that meet their needs, the Q6 e-tron stands ready to deliver an exceptional driving experience, making it an exciting option for those looking to make the switch to electric.